This is Jenny Naslund, and today we'll be talking about Google Documents. In your Drive account, to create a new Google document, you'll click on New, and then you'll choose Google Docs, and you'll get a new Google document. First thing you want to do with any of the things that we create in Google Drive is to make sure you give it a name. So I'm going to name this a 4th grade introduction, and I went ahead and just pasted some text in here so I could show you a couple of things about editing and adding. To type, you just click and you start typing. Some editing things that you can do is if we want to align something towards the center, I can use these. These are the different alignment options. So I'm going to align that in the center. This is our font button. I can change the text color if I wanted to. I can bold, italic, underline. This right here is the text size. I could change the actual text itself if I wanted to. So you can kind of play with these things when you're creating to make the kind of style that you want. Other things that I can do is add pictures and links. If I want to insert a picture, I go to Insert Image, and I can either drag and drop an image. I can search by URL or by an album or within my Google Drive. And in this case, I am going to drag and drop an image. I'll just drop it right on in, and the picture will upload and it'll show up. Now when I click on the picture, right now it's in line with text. If I do wrap text, the text will wrap around it. And I can put the text where I want it to show up. Another thing that we can do in our documents is add links. So for example, I have an email down here. If I wanted to make this an actual link, if I highlight what I want to make a link, I say Insert Link. It'll add a link there if it's already something that is a link, or it'll let me browse to and add a link in. Another thing, once you finish this, finish your document, you might want to share it with somebody. So to share our documents, we click up here in the corner. You could type the email addresses of the people that you want to share it with and click on them. You could add a message if you wanted to, and then you could go ahead and say send, and it would send them an email message along with the document. You can also print and download your documents as well. So to print, I can click right here, or I can go to File, Print, either one, and I would be able to select what printer I wanted, and I could print my document just like you would in like Microsoft Word. If I want to download my document, I go to File, and I can say Download As, and choose what kind of document you want. You can make it a Word document, you can make it a PDF document, whatever you'd like. Click on it, and then it just takes a second, and you'll see that it went ahead and downloaded that document for me. So that's a very basic introduction to Google Docs.